Chris Mutsvangwa's reckless anti-Chiwenga utterances accelerates ED systems. Sanapana mashoko ari kubuda achinyorwa nemapolitical analyst varuya panapa vachitaura mashoko achiti aiwa kukritisaiza kwakabuda kukataurwa muleaked audio yaChristopher Mutsvangwa panguva ino kuaccelerata zvatiri kuona maforces ari kuita against the Zimbabwean leader. Ndoti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda pana pamuchenjeri tomudanyora chiti by Brighton Mutebuka A. It looks like Motormouth Chris reckless, provocative, inflammatory, high personal and scathing criticism of Chiwenga's academic credentials, Liberation War record, and treatment of his ex-wife has become the proverbial straw that broke the channel's back in ED's long-standing relationship with Chiwenga. B. It's irrelevant whether or not Chris spoke on behalf of ED. The point simply is that Chiwenga and his allies believe he did, and not for the first time either. C. What worse is the perception that he regularly detonates these juvenile, like volley or reckless anti-Chiwenga outbursts without being sanctioned by the party in the manner that those who criticize ED are. Indeed, given Chris' closeness to ED, his previous role as the advisor, his role in ED's rise to power, his ex-cabinet role, his wife's role, and his overreaching regime-enabled financial interest, it's difficult to establish a clear dividing line between master and his proxy's interest. I dare say that the overriding sentiment is that a red line has been crossed and we have reached a moment of no return. There can be no doubt that Chiwenga would have found Chris' utterances to be not only hateful but also deeply insulting, humiliating, and inflammatory. Where he had previously wanted to exercise patience, restraint, and a differential approach, he will now treat with a sense of menace, grievance, cold, and detached ruthlessness. He will be like a wounded animal. On his list, this shameless betrayal has now been compounded by a brazen disrespect, humiliation, and insults via reckless proxy. Whatever veneer of respect that is left is gone. The relationship is now irretrievably ruptured. It's why Geza openly referenced the sensational allegations of attempted murder against ED and formed part of Mary Chiwenga's criminal case. Geza also stunningly accused ED of having bragged about Chiwenga returning in a body bag from the treatment in China. There is no coming back from that. Thomas panobudanyora panapa anozwa achi publish vanovakomana vechange radio vachiti aiwa chitiko ichi chatiri kuona aiwa mashoko akaleka eaudio yaChris Mutsvangwa ndo ari kunyatso accelerata aiwa the need aiwa for the demonstration. Tudze mafunguro enyu motodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina comment section medu tudze mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.